जबरदस्त अनुभव हुआ होगा, शायद ये लास्ट औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलामु अलैकुम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। I have a regret that I have been chosen as the last speaker when everybody is feeling some bit hungry and everybody is focused on the terrace, what are the arrangement being made there. But still, I am very thankful that I have got an opportunity to be in front of you to say a few words. First of all, I am very happy today that initially, some 1 month down when I started my campaign, I was visiting all the offices of seniors and everybody. Then many names were not declared at that time. But after some time, some names surfaced. Among them, Zakir Bhai, my old friend, whenever I used to visit Pukatpalli, he was very helpful. And one Mr. Azam, very young person. Today, I feel happy that the Muslim advocacy its futures is in very good hands. I appreciate. Before seeing the photo of Azam, I never came across him. But today, when he was speaking, I am very happy that very young and good speakers are there, good talents are there. I wish everybody all the best. First of all, we have to think that we are not contesting against each other. We are contemporaries. So, as Amir Bhai has initially stated that this election is not against each other, but when the best will be selected, who survived the rounds of that relegation will definitely win. And the very first thing is that when I have seen the voter list of the Bar Council, I noticed that since 1995 to 2015, the number of Muslims advocates gradually from 2015 to 2025 there is a very good numbers. I have seen the list. Most of the Muslim advocates are enrolled after 2015. So what I think is Nazir Bhai, the number of advocates Muslim community has from 1995 to 2015, that number has increased to double. This is a very good indication, and also there are few colleges has been established like Islamia College of Law and VRK Law College, and every year, earlier it was Sultanul Ulum, and every year we are seeing that around 1,000 Muslim advocates are being enrolled. Very nice, very good figures, Alhamdulillah. So coming to the point that what I can do, what is my intention if I am elected the member of the Bar Council? See, one thing is very much focused here, that a member who is elected as a member of the Bar Council, he is sent to the Waqf Board. As Shakir has said, that some new amendments are taking place, and in coming days there might not be compulsory that a member who is elected as a Bar Council member may be sent to the Waqf Board. And apart from that, it is, see, as Masood Bhai has already told, there are totally 14 members in the Waqf Board, and 1 member is sent to Bar Council. So, the Waqf properties are not the properties of the Waqf Board or the government. It is the property of which is dedicated by our forefathers in favor of the community, benefit of the community in the name of Allah. That is the true sense of Waqf. So, it is not the members or the councils who defend, but as an advocate, as we have seen that all the every activism has started from the advocates in the modern period. Now the need is that only the member who is elected for Bar Council, the Muslim member, should take the responsibility of work. But we, the advocates, and we can form independent committees of advocates to see that the cases are taken up properly in the courts and the work properties are protected. The thing out of context which I have said is that I am also facing the same issue that whenever I am going to any advocate, they asking for vote. Everybody has been pointing out to me that what we will do when we become a member regarding the work properties. So I feel that even if I win, if I succeed or not, that is a different thing. But as an activist of work, I will throughout my life, with the support of my brothers, I will be a protector of work lands. This is my promise. The other thing is that most of the youngsters, see, since 2015, numerous Muslim advocates are coming, and the first embarrassment they feel while taking oath is doing namaste. If elected, inshallah, or not elected, we will see that this culture is not made mandatory for everybody to do namaste. This is not. The other things is regarding the welfare trust, welfare fund, and welfare stamp. See, welfare stamp is very clear. We have a very long discussion along with Amer and other colleagues while we were proceeding on a travel. That regarding the welfare fund stamp, I have been telling since long and also posting in the groups that whoever is the member of welfare fund is only, it is mandatory for him to fix the welfare stamp. If you are not a member, on the wakalat simply you can put a 5 rupees stamp and you should mention that I am not a member of the work fund, because it is a, I put to my seniors, Masood Bhai and Nadir Bhai, that what the impact of not fixing the the welfare stamp on the wakalat is that I am not entitled to take any benefit of the welfare fund. That is the impact. If I am not fixing the welfare stamp, the only thing is that I am entitled to use for any of the benefits of the welfare fund. Another welfare trust is there, which was contributed by the government after formation of Telangana. Some odd 100 crores was allotted to that fund, and what is the narrative is happening there is some selected person are getting the benefits of the insurance, and all the enrolled advocates till date are not the members of that welfare trust fund. That I will see that that issue is solved. Another thing is that as my friends all know, that majorly Amir Saab as I have instructed earlier that what cases I have been done, that landmark cases I want to bring before you. That mainly when I started my practice, I was pursuing the cases regarding, one was a Harin Pandya murder case, very famous, that was in Gujarat. And as you remember, around 23 persons from around Hyderabad and Telangana were picked and taken to Gujarat jails. From there to Aurangabad arms hall case, and also to recent Dilsukh bomb blast case, I have been pursuing on behalf of the associations who were contesting the case. What I noticed is that when there were this in Hyderabad, this Dilsukh bomb blast case, when capital punishment was given to 5 persons, when we were sitting for the appeals, for contesting the appeals, we were going around all the seniors in Hyderabad. So, and also we were not focused that some senior should take up the case, but I was looking forward for some young Muslim advocates who can come forward, study and gather some points, so that when we bring a good senior from any other place, they could assist it. But unfortunately, we were not able to gather such talent, but still what I feel is nowadays I have seen Amir, Imtiaz in the High Court, and also another person I remember your office, Rizwan. So these are the very young talents in High Court, especially in criminal practice. So there is a need that when Hyderabad, especially Telangana and Hyderabad, when there are so many budding lawyers, young lawyers, in coming days we should see that we can not only in Hyderabad and Telangana, but we can provide good quality advocates to contest the cases of the atrocities being done to the Muslims in Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, and each and every state. See, nowadays I have seen that advocates from Tamil Nadu and Kerala are going and contesting the cases in Maharashtra, and so my endeavor will be, I will see that tomorrow in coming days some young Muslim advocates are prepared in such a manner that they can go and defend our community in all parts of the India. And the other thing is regarding one of my sister has stated that, yes, I remember the brawl which happened in the city civil court regarding the namaz place. See, very unfortunately, one of the leader came forward and stated that no, we will not pray in the court premises, we will have some place outside. It was very sorry event. So I will see that not only Muslims but any community ladies are provided with a special spacious space to perform their private things. So it is a need of the hour that we should address that issue. And so some of the points I have been, but the time is not permitting me to put all the issues. The other thing is that during these days I have traveled to various districts and towns. What I have noticed is, see, frankly speaking, Masood sir, if I say, थोड़ी बड़ी बात हो जाए कि in Hyderabad what we have seen is mostly the clientage has shifted to the other community. See, gradually how it happened we don't know, but it is responsibility of our generation that we should see that the clientage shift back to us. This is see, for instance, Nazir Bhai, registration department has given some GO. In that, in 2022, as you remember, Justice Vijay Singh Reddy was holding that portfolio. The cause list was containing of few 30 to 40 pages. Such appeals were being filed for taking some conditional order. At least I think 200 crores were minted by some that lobbying advocate by filing that type of writs. Still, the issue is that regarding the medical fees one, still writ petition is going on. There are 1100 petitioners. Every petitioner is paying 10,000 rupees. And the number of respondents are this Kaloji Narayana University, Fees Structuring Committee, Government of Telangana, Government of India, Union of India, everybody are the respondents. Some 5 departments, sir. We are focusing on APPs, AGPs, and some prominent municipal standing councils. See, we are not focusing on around 50 departments who are holding SCs in standing councils in High Court. My endeavor is that if I get some position, I will see that to all the departments, mostly, we will be able to put some of the young Muslim advocates who have mandated that criteria to begin the standing councils of the that statutory bodies constituted by the government of Telangana. The other thing is that we are very good position. As Azam has stated that in Hyderabad we are very well positioned, but in rural towns and districts, I will try to empower the advocates, Muslim advocates there, who can establish themselves as a good advocate and to defend our community and everything whenever some needs arises. And I wish all the candidates all the best. And I request, lastly, I request to encourage voting among Muslims. See, there are 3,000 voters. As Shakil Bhai has stated that we can win 5 candidates, but still थोड़ा एग्री आपसे ना नहीं होगा बल्कि 4 तो बिल्कुल आ सकते हैं. We can win 4 candidates. I request all to go to your friends and colleagues, encourage them to come on the polling day, and please ask them to keep their first preferences among Muslims. This is my, not me. If you don't like me on the priority, keep Zakir Bhai, keep Azam Bhai, keep Masood Bhai, or this name actually on the first preferences. Put me somewhere in the preference. Finally, this is the need of our Mr. Khalid is here. He is a very good friend to me. He is expert in this, doing all this lobbying and everything, what I should call it. So I request all to reach out to your friends, encourage them to come for polling and to cast their initial preferential votes in favor of Muslim candidates. Thank you very much for giving this opportunity. Thank you.
कोई कैंडिडेट अभी बाकी नहीं है मेरे ख्याल में. शमसुद्दीन, वाजिद, आलम, जुल्फिकार